Hello there, my name is Mr. Samuel and I'm from the English Chat. Today we are going to be talking about something both very fun but also tricky. The double vowel grapheme, O-O. Did you guys know that it can make two different sounds? Let me show you how. The first sound is the long oo sound, as in the word food. You can stretch this sound out. For the long oo sound, your mouth stays rounded, like when you say the words food, moon, and school. The second way to pronounce this grapheme is in the short way, as in look and book. It's quicker and softer. For the short sound, your lips are less rounded. Here are some examples. Book, book, book. And foot, foot. Here's an easy way to remember. The long oo sound is stretched, like in the word broom. Broom. And the short is quick, like in the word book. Book. At the English Chat, we teach these sounds and so much more in the LPA Reading and Writing Phonics program. It is perfect for helping students read and write confidently and accurately. If you're in Hong Kong, join our in-person classes, both in Taipo and in Jordan. For more information, please message us on WhatsApp at 4644-3443. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube for more tips and updates. You will find links there to find out more about our award-winning educational program. And until next time, keep chatting. Goodbye.